doing?
Who are you?
Deputy Sheriff, security of the building. Who are you?
What's your name and badge number?
What's your name and badge number?
I'm not a deputy sheriff.
I don't care. What's your name? Let me see some
don't-
ID. So you're going to have to leave the lot.
You need to see some ID?
Yes, sir.
When a police officer tries to intimidate an independent journalist recording in a public parking lot, he forgets one massive detail: the United States Constitution. Watch as this deputy's ego trip gets completely shut down by a citizen who knows the law better than he does.
For what? Have I committed any
Yes,
crimes?
you're photographing everybody's vehicle's tag numbers.
It's not against the law,
Let me see some ID, please.
but I haven't broken the law.
Let me see some ID, please, or you're going to have to leave the property. I can make
This
you
is
leave the
public.
property.
This
No,
is
it's
public
not.
property.
It's government property. I can make you leave it.
What's the difference between government and public
Let me
property,
see
sir?
some ID, please.
Sir, I haven't broken any
Let me
laws.
see some ID, please.
This is public property. I'm an independent journalist.
This entire encounter hinges on a concept called a Terry stop. Under the law, an officer cannot legally demand your identification unless they have reasonable articulable suspicion, meaning they suspect you are about to commit, are committing, or have committed a crime. Recording a building from a publicly accessible parking lot is a constitutionally protected First Amendment right, not a crime.
Why
Yeah.
are you filming the car tag?
I'm gathering content for a story.
What story?
Tag plates, you guys run them all day. They're public information.
Okay.
It's not a big deal.
Notice the blatant hypocrisy here. The deputy is aggressively demanding the citizen's private information, but actively refuses to provide his own name and badge number, which is standard policy for on-duty public servants. It takes over a minute of pressure before the deputy finally caves.
Can I get your name?
No, you cannot.
Why are you covering your name?
Time 127 to 439.
And it's unprofessional of a Harford County Sheriff to not identify themselves.
Smile.
BF Chandler. Thank you. Was that hard?
No,
And your badge number is 127.
that's correct.
All you have to do is be all you have to do is be cordial.
Let me see.
The citizen flawlessly quotes the law, leaving Deputy Chandler with zero legal standing. Moments later, a second officer steps in. Watch how completely different this interaction goes when an officer actually understands constitutional rights and uses basic de-escalation tactics.
Your identification.
Let me see your driver's license.
No, sir.
Okay, so why would you want to see mine?
Because I have the right to ask you.
No, you don't.
Okay.
You have the right to ask me anything, but I don't have the obligation to give you anything. Right?
Okay.
I mean,
Well, when assistance arrives, we'll...
you can ask me to, jump on one leg. Doesn't mean I'm going to do it.
Advised by an employee here that he doesn't pull our YouTube channel and ask questions. So
What's YouTube?
What's that?
What's YouTube?
I have no idea what... Well,
What's that? What's that? Deputy, just so you know, just so maybe next time, independent journalists, everybody under the First Amendment of the Constitution, we have freedom of press.
I don't want to discuss that, sir.
I'm just trying to inform you and educate you. So next time, in case this happens, there's no issues. You cannot demand somebody's ID unless they have committed a crime, unless you have reasonable articulable suspicion that they've committed a crime. So, for next time, can't just demand ID from people. De-escalation works. All that good stuff. Thank you, sir. Yeah, just engaging in First Amendment protected activity.
You're welcome to film. There's no law against that.
You see?
I didn't say the reason.
You called all these people here for a reason. We could have just had a polite conversation.
They have an obligation to make sure that everything is okay within their property. I can understand that. They just want to make sure that everything is on the good.
I explained to him that I'm an independent journalist. And I'm just gathering content for a story. That's all.
All right.
Not like I was secretive or anything.
No, that's fine. Like I said, but they have an obligation to make sure.
Sure, no problem.
A massive difference in professionalism. Always know your rights, and never let a badge intimidate you into giving up your constitutional freedoms. Drop your thoughts on Deputy Chandler's behavior in the comments, and subscribe for more raw encounter breakdowns.